Designcenter Solid Edge makes it easier to reuse, share, and migrate design data, no matter where it comes from or where it's going, so you can work confidently with precise data you can trust. Whether you're collaborating across disciplines or moving decades of legacy data, Designcenter Solid Edge gives you the tools to stay connected, accurate, and in control. Let's see how you can streamline processes and open new avenues for integrated design. The new DSTV export function addresses a long-standing challenge in structural steel design. Instead of relying on workarounds or third-party tools, you can now export models directly to DSTV format for CNC saw, drill, and flame cutting operations, simplifying the pipeline from design to fabrication. Standardized structural steel profiles work without conversion issues, and exports can automatically be done in batch operations through macros. This direct method reduces steps between design and fabrication, making it ideal for automated manufacturing systems. The new Storing Section Geometry for Translation option makes section creation exact and purposeful. With the Section by Plane command, you can generate precise, accurate views of any assembly. You can also choose to export only the section bodies when exporting to STEP, removing non-essential components, reducing file size, and ensuring recipients see exactly the geometry you select. Revit files can be opened and imported with Designcenter Solid Edge. Files can be inserted directly into assemblies or opened as separate components. When importing files as internal components, configurable settings such as stitching surfaces, converting solids, and creating precise geometry allow you to integrate the files while maintaining data fidelity. This allows manufacturing designers to work directly with architectural models as well, making it easier to plan equipment layouts and infrastructure projects. Designcenter Solid Edge standardizes manufacturing output, improves technical documentation, and ensures cross-platform compatibility, reducing steps and improving accuracy in your daily operations.